You're not gonna believe how long it took to grow these plants, so stick around for the setup and the transformation. Plus, I have a big announcement about this Growell system. You're not gonna believe it. It's gonna be simply amazing. Let's go. Hey, do you wanna grow vegetables year round, even if it's very, very cold in your area and you can't grow, or you don't wanna go out in the fall or / winter time to grow because of the cold weather? You can grow inside. Growell just sent me their hydroponic growing system, and we're gonna crack it open and we're gonna use it and show you how you can grow inside your home. No worries. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up and pull all of the parts of it out. You have your actual guidebook that gives you everything that you need to know. Let me go ahead and slide this out. Now, I always wanted to grow with hydroponics, and Growell has given me the opportunity to do so. All right, so this is telescopic. This is the light system up here. So let me go ahead and slide that up and get it out the way. And they got all the contents packed down below. And this is where we're gonna put our water at. So let me go ahead and pull all this stuff out. All right, so this right here is the plant food that we're gonna use. You got 2 different bottles of it. I'll just go ahead and take these out. So to give you your plant food. All right, so the next thing that we have are the caps. So if you don't want any thing to grow out of the cap, you can just put it right here and close it down like that for spacing. If you don't want to plant too close together. In this bag right here, they have labelers. So once you plant, you can go ahead and make sure you label what your seeds are. Now, I will tell you that you have to buy your own seeds, and planting here doesn't come with seeds. So just make sure you are aware of that. But that's good. You get to plant whatever it is you want in your garden inside your house. Now in this bag, this is your growing medium right here. And I'm gonna put a link in the description below, and you get to purchase a lot more of these. And you're gonna actually put your seed in the little hole right here and bring you in close. You're gonna put your little seed in the hole right there. And this is the actual case for it. And then you're gonna insert it down into the water through the hole like that. And that's gonna hold it for you. And one thing you wanna keep in mind, before you start to seed, you wanna put these in water for like 5 minutes. And then put them inside this and start to go ahead and seed. Now you have tweezers to pick up your seeds and put them into the seed medium right here, your growing medium. Then when you put it down into the slot, you're gonna take one of these stickers and you're gonna poke out the center, and then you're going to lay it around the circle, just like that. And that little circle, the seed is gonna germinate and come straight up through there. And to help with the germination, you have these little end caps that you're gonna place over the top, just like that. Once you see the seed, the little sprout comes through, you're gonna take this off. This is just like a mini humidity dome right here. While I'm waiting for this to expand the growing medium, 5 minutes in water, I'm going to plug in the few things I have to plug in. Real simple. This is the water pump. It has the wire here. You just go to the back. This top little notch right here, it just slides right in. You push that in, and I'm gonna show you the next thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring you in close so you can see. This is the water tank support bar, which lays across right here. You'll see the little grooves to put it right there. Before that, I'm gonna show you this little thing. It goes on this little notch right here of the water tank, just like that. And now all we gotta do is line up the holes right here and then slide this on down for the support beam to be protected, just like that. This is the adapter for the plug so that it can get power. All you do is have to plug it up right here. I'm gonna take this and put this over top, just like that. Now, what I'm planting right here is pickling cucumbers. I just want to see if I can get them to grow inside the house. Just an experiment. I know I have to self-pollinate, but I'm just trying to see. I only did this for one. Everything else is a lettuce, and I have different types of herbs in the other one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try something for fun. Let me put that in the groove, and I'll get back with you after I finish putting all my seeds in, before I go ahead and show you how I fill up the water. All right, so you see this is what it looks like. I already labeled everything. I do have a couple spaces. I may decide to fill them up, or I may leave them blank. We shall see. And this is where I took the cap off so I can put the water in right here. So when I'm running a little light, this is where I put it at. And I want to keep it between 4.5 liters to 6 liters, in between that. That'll be a good range to have. So you want to keep check on that. And when you cut on the system, the pump is going to start running every 30 minutes so that the oxygen can get spread around. So that would be ideal. And I have my lights up here, which I'm going to cut off. We'll check back and see the progress. If you want to purchase one of these from Growell, then I'll put the link in the description along with the discount code. Man, you can enjoy growing inside like me. Day number 2, y'all. And you would think nothing will be already sprouted, but check this out. See if I can bring you in close. This is amazing. You see that? That's the arugula coming up. This is day number 2. Now I do have one more. See if I can get you in close. It's kind of tough, but if you look down that hole, you see that little green tip right there? It's breaking through. All right, so I can't wait to see day 3. All right, so it's day 3. Look at that. It was smaller yesterday, the arugula. We're gonna take that lid off now, and we're gonna watch it grow. And in the back, that rosemary is now coming through. Yesterday it was up underneath. Now we got it coming through. I'm about to go ahead and take that off too. Let's go ahead and take that off so we can see. All right, so we got 2 of them up, and there are some more starting to come up. The basil is trying to push through. You see it right there, that it's still down in the hole, but it already is germinated, so looking good. All right, so we'll check back in. Some of the other seeds are, I guess, taking their time, but this is fast. This is day 3, y'all. All right, I can't wait to see tomorrow. So this is day 24. Look at the growth. They are looking amazing. Now, if you look over here, I don't have anything coming up. I had to restart these seeds because the seeds were bad and they didn't grow in my grow rack as well. So I put 2 and 2 together and I got my answer. But after 2 days, let me see, you see that? That little teeny seedling is coming through. 2 days in this system right here. Amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and fertilize. I just got finished filling it up. This is part A, part B. You see part B is clear, part A is not. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask the company if they have bigger bottles for the feed, because I see myself using this year round, even when it's warm outside. But if it's not warm outside and you can't grow anything, you might wanna get you one of these from Growell. But you see how fast this stuff is growing. But let's go ahead and fertilize so we can get it growing even more. Let's go. So to fertilize, I gotta take this little cap off right here. And I went ahead and I did 15 milliliters. So let's go ahead and get this. And all we're gonna do is drop it in just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the part A and put it in just like that. And now we're just going to wait and see the growth because it's already growing. Do you recognize these plants? It has been 10 days since we last fertilized with this. And look at the growth. It is insane. This Growell Hydroponic kit is outstanding. Hey, I have some great news. First, I want to let you know that I did check on the fertilizers and this is the sizes that they come in, but they have extra kits if you need some, and I'll put a link in the description down below. I also want to let you know that Black Friday is approaching and they're giving a 20% discount on their Growell Hydroponic System. That is going to give you more savings. But no worries, if you're not watching this video during that time, I will drop my discount code in the description as well, where you can get more savings throughout the year. Just look at all this growth. It took 35 days for me to grow all of this. And I'm a rookie when it comes to hydroponics. And if you're a beginner just like me, then this Growell system will work for you. So think about sharing this video to give your loved ones or friends a hint on some of the gifts you may want for this upcoming season, so you can grow all throughout the year just like me. Even when it's cold outside and the snow is out there, you can still be growing inside. So I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget, check out those links. All right, later.